Hello everyone, this is Lasfit. This is the first time to shoot the video in this way. Today content is, we know that on Facebook groups some customers said that our Pro Series Pro H11 is not easy to install. So I contacted a customer to see what's the problem. Let's go! Hello George. This is Hughes from Lasfit Auto LED Lighting. How's it going, man?
Oh, it's wonderful, man. Thank you so much for coming out. Hey, this is George, and I have a 2019 Toyota Highlander limited hybrid, and I noticed that my headlights seemed to be very weak compared to what I'd really like. So looking to get some more light output, and I searched long and wide on the internet forums, and I came upon what seemed to be the highest rated LED light bulbs out there, a company by the name of Lasfit Lasfit. Everybody seemed to think that they were the best on the market, and so I picked some up. They arrived at my home very quickly, and when I looked at their videos on the internet, it seemed like it was really easy thing to do. But what I noticed is that when I went and picked up, lifted the hood of my car, there was a couple differences between my car and Lasfit. Now, a couple things that I had noticed that made it difficult for me is that it looked like in their video that there was a lot of space in here for you to get your hands into. And when I came to my car and I looked at the driver's side, the first thing I noticed is that there's this big box right here, and I wasn't sure how to get around that. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, but I realized real quickly that even if I could get the original halogen light bulb out of the housing, it was going to be very challenging for me to get the upgraded LED light bulb into that space. Then I looked over at the passenger side, and I kind of encountered the same thing. Whereas when you're looking in here, here's probably the little bit of space that you can get your hand into to get at the housing and the light bulb. And I've really encountered the same problem. Now, it wasn't hard for me to get the factory bulb out, but I wasn't able to get these things in there. Now, not being a mechanic, I was a little nervous because there are some things in here that look like you can move them, but I didn't have the confidence to do that. I did reach out to Lasfit, and they were very kind to reach out to me and help me out and figure out my problems.
Alright guys, this is the relay and fuse box. Only in the hybrid model has it. So why our Lasfit video doesn't show how to remove these fuse box? Press here, then take out the fuse box. First, to start the dust cover, to start the halogen bulb, and unplug the bulb from the harness. Second, put the LED bulb into the housing. Make sure you get the right bulb. L means is driver side, R is passenger side. Put the LED bulb into the housing and turn clockwise to lock it. Connect the dust cover and then connect the wire to the OEM headlight harness. The last step is put the Lasfit dust cover back. For the passenger side, you might need to remove the windshield washer reservoir refill tube. that will give me more room to work with. To remove and install the LED bulb, repeat the step like the driver's side. Now you have it. Alright guys, if you still have questions, please subscribe our channel and feel free to contact us and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.